Hello you guys, I am Megima and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be trying or testing out cheapest makeup from Nykaa, and I will be creating a look with those products, and this is the look which I created from those products. And if you want to know what products I like and what products I didn't like, then you have to keep on watching. But before that, you might see that I am wearing something else. Yes, I forgot to shoot the intro for that video in very much excitement because I liked this look because of how it turned out. But you have to keep on watching for getting to know how I created this look and with what products and what products were the cheapest product. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. So let's start. So first I have this Fair and Lovely is now Glow and Lovely Winter Glow Moisturizer Cream or something. So this is how it looks like, and this is for only 20 rupees, and this was the cheapest moisturizer which I had on Nykaa. So now I'm going to apply this. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and let's see how it works. Okay, so it has the typical Fair and Lovely cream smell, and this is how it looks like. This is like a baby pink color, but on the camera it looks white. So now I'm going to apply this. Good. I think for 20 rupees this works fine. Let me just get the camera a little bit closer. So this is how my face looks like. And as you can see, I have that glow on my face right now, and this smells nice. Okay, this doesn't smell that bad, so it's a good product. I think it will moisturize my skin. So for 20 rupees I think it is worth it. Now let's get on to foundation. So for foundation I have Blue Heavens Oil Free Makeup Sunscreen Plus Matte Finish Foundation, and this is how it looks like. And this is for 90 rupees, and this was the cheapest foundation on Nykaa, and this is in the shade Cream Beige. So I think it is my skin tone only. Let's try. To tell you guys, first time when I bought an foundation for myself, I bought it from an offline store, and to tell you guys, I got the wrong shade, okay, from the offline store. And when I bought the Maybelline foundation, I got foundation for the second time, and I got that foundation online, and I searched for the shades which will suit my skin tone, and to tell you guys, it is the perfect shade for my skin, and I was really very happy that for the first time I ordered a foundation from online and it turned out perfect. So the blender which I am using is a little bit damp. And I think this is the perfect shade for my skin tone. Okay, so this blends really nicely, I believe. It is like a sheer foundation, if I'm not wrong. You will have to build this up, but for 90 rupees what we can expect more, right? So I think this foundation is also like worth for the price, I believe. It did make my skin look like I'm glowing. I don't know if it is because of the moisturizer or the foundation. Okay, so next is a concealer, and the cheapest concealer was Blue Heavens or something. I don't remember exactly, but I didn't have my concealer shade in that, like my concealer highlighting shade. So I got the second or the third option, I believe, and which is the Insight Makeup Essentials 2X Cover Master Concealer, and this is how it looks like. And this is for 110 rupees, and my shade is 02 Honey, and this is how it looks like. So let's try it out. Oh my god, this concealer blends so easily, but I think this gives like a sheer coverage or something. I don't think that I like this concealer, but let's go for the second round. And for the second application I am only applying it on my eyelids. I have heard good things about Swiss Beauty concealer. I think if you are going to buy a concealer like in a cheapest price, I will suggest you to buy that concealer. You will just have to add more 90 rupees and you will get like a good concealer. Oh my god, this is definitely not working. It's very sheer, very light. It gives a very light coverage. Okay. So I think that's a no for this concealer. I really don't like this concealer because it gives very little coverage, like light coverage, sheer coverage, that you can't even tell that you have applied a concealer. You can see that you all can see my dark circles here. So I don't think that this is worth for me. Then next, I think we'll move on to, I didn't get like a compact because I didn't wanted to add compact into this. There are many cheap compacts in the market out there, and I already have 3 compacts, so why to waste money for like more compact. So that is why I skipped it. For compact, if you want affordable one, then you can get the Maybelline one. It's just for like 120 rupees, the black cover one. So you can get that one if you want to get an compact. So next we'll move on to the blush. Okay, for blush I have this, and this is the Blue Heaven Diamond Blush on, and it's in the shade, I don't know what shade it is. Let me check. Okay, but the price of this is 125 rupees, and after I open it, you get it into like this thin packaging, and you get this, and then you get this blusher. So the blush shade, I think this the Diamond Blush On is the name or something, but the shade number is 503. So it's sealed pack. Let me just open it. This is like a first impression or testing out cheapest makeup product here video. Okay, so I have this blush here. Let me show you. So this is the blush shade, and it looks pretty. I had many options to choose from this thing, but I didn't choose like a baby pink or a pink shade. That is because I don't like pinky shades. I like corally shades for my blush. So this is the blush with like a coral shade. So let's try it out. This is pigmented, I must say, and this smells so good. Oh my god. You can see how pretty the shade looks. Look how pretty, right? My god, so pretty shade. I think I applied too much, but it's fine. But still I look like a clown or something. Okay, so I think this is like a worth buying. I think that some like sheen into it. That is why it is just making my skin glow where I applied the blush, as you all can see. So there is no need to get a highlighter, and I don't have a highlighter also, because you don't get highlighter under 150 rupees, if you get my point. So I didn't get like a cheapest highlighter, and I already have many highlighters, so that is why too. And for my eyes I didn't get like a eyeshadow palette, so I'm just going to apply this blush so I can work with it as an eyeshadow too. So I started blending out the blush with an eyeshadow brush, and look how pretty the shade looks on my skin tone and as well as on my eyes. And if you are on a budget, you can use this blush as your eyeshadow too. Okay, so I think I'm done with my eyes too. Look how useful this blush is, and it's just for 125 rupees. Okay, so for the eyeliners, I have 4 eyeliners with me. So there's blue and black, and there's brown and green. So I got 4 shades. That is just because this is the Blue Heaven highlighter and eyeliner, and this is just for 55 rupees, you guys. So cheap. My Lakme one was I think for 110 or 120 rupees something. So this is like half of that eyeliner price. So I think I can work with it. So let's apply the black I think black. I think I should go with blue one. I can't choose, but yeah, let's get with the blue one. Okay. Oh my god, this is like a bright blue shade. Oh my god, you guys, look how pretty the eyeliner shade is. It looks very pretty. I thought it will turn like a disaster, but it turned out pretty nice. Okay, so I think I'm done with the eyeliner. Look how pretty this eyeliner looks like. So cute. Okay, now let's get on to mascara. So for mascara, I have this again a mascara by the brand Inside Makeup Essentials mascara, and this is how the mascara looks like. And the mascara, yeah, the MRP of this mascara is 110 rupees, and this is how it looks like. And it has like this cap, so you can remove this cap, and then you get like a brush and a comb kind of thing, so you can see. But you can remove this if you want. Okay, so now let's see how the mascara works. So this is the mascara wand, like a typical mascara wand. Okay, now let's apply it. I'm going to remove the top layer because it will be like uncomfortable. Okay. And this is the black mascara, okay. Okay, so I think this mascara is like a waste product because it doesn't work that much. It did nothing to my eyelashes, guys. It did literally nothing. I think this is like a waste and no product, but what can you expect for 110 rupees, you guys? If you put like more 150 rupees, you can buy the Maybelline one. Just saying. Okay, so I didn't like this product. So far both of the inside products are a waste for me, but the last product also is by Inside, and it's the lipstick. So it says waterproof, smudge proof, long wear, matte texture, true color, non-transfer lip color by Inside Makeup Essentials, and it looks like this. The packaging is like same. I don't know why the camera is not picking up. So the price of this lipstick is 81 rupees. So this was like the cheapest lipstick there. And this is how it looks like. Okay, the shade name is 06 Angel Red. Let's see how it works. The texture is like watery. The lipstick shade is very nice. The color payoff is very good as well. The formulation of this lipstick is like it's very watery. If you all might have used the Nykaa one, Nykaa liquid lipstick, it is kind of that in texture. But the Nykaa one is like a very watery texture, but this one is like less watery but watery, if you know what I mean. But the lipstick is like very comfortable on your skin, and I really like the color payoff. The shade is very beautiful, and this is worth the money, guys. This is worth the money. So this lipstick is by Inside, but I think I used the concealer and the mascara, which did nothing means nothing to my face. But this lipstick is bomb. If you want to buy any like cheap lipstick, you can go for this one. This is very pretty color too. And this is how the makeup turned out, and this is how I look right now. Okay, so I really love how the makeup turned out, but the product which I personally didn't like were the Inside concealer and mascara. Let me show you guys. Rather than these two products, every product worked fine with me, and I really liked the products. But these two products is a no to me. But those who are like on a budget, you can try this out. But still it okay, so this concealer like doesn't give that much coverage, but it's like okayish product, but it doesn't give me coverage. I don't know that it's because I have very like dark circles, like very dark. That is why I think this highlighting concealer didn't work out. But the mascara, the mascara, it just coats your lashes, but it doesn't give like volume, or it doesn't give length to your eyelashes, but it does apply. And to tell you guys, it didn't dry down, it just came onto my fingers when I did this thing. I don't know if you like this product, you can buy this, definitely go for this, but I didn't like personally. But I really liked how this makeup turned out so pretty, right? And I really liked the blush and the lipstick and my eye look. Oh my god, I never did this kind of eye look. I think the eyeliner changed my eye look totally, and I'm really in love with this, in love with this look. Comment me down in the comment box if you liked this look or not. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press on the bell icon so that you will all get notified every time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram, follow the Siva Style Store. And that is it for today's video. And I'm obsessed with this look. I think I'm going to shoot many more videos in this look. And I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.